All right, so today I'm going to try to make a exhaust for the BMW. So I got some exhaust pipe from AutoZone. I got my Yes welder. I got my muffler tips I ordered off eBay. And this is what I'm working with. I want it to sit like this. All right, so I got the tip welded to the pipe. I'm leaving this so I can move it, so I can adjust it once it's under the car, so I know exactly where I want it to be. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go place it underneath the car, and then once I know it's placed right, I'm gonna use a jack stand. I'm going to tack it in, see how I like it, and if it's good, then I'm gonna put the hangers on, and then weld it all together. All right, here it is.